We have stayed here when it was brand new in December 2023. But everyone said it's expensive and location is undesirable. Today we will give Fontainebleau another chance. My bestie is coming to town and we must impress her. I'm nervous. Will our check-in process be okay? Because we got a Noble Suite King room and we really want a nice view. Take note, we are foodies. Are the restaurants gonna be good? Are you staying here?
I'm staying here. I'm playing here and also at the Nowhere Lounge.
Are the amenities gonna be worth the resort fee? And lastly, we will bet $100 to see if we will have delicious dinner or we will drink our sorrows away.
We won $4.
Are you ready to see the tallest building in Nevada that took 16 years to make? And off we go! We're staying here for 4 days. I have to battle for the best room we can have out of our reservation. This really is important because it's gonna set the tone of our vacation. I really hope Fontainebleau's welcome committee is nice. Aloha! I guess we'll be here for 3 nights. I have a request.
Absolutely, let's hear it.
Can we have a high floor? Because
Okay.
I love the views of Vegas.
Absolutely.
And also the sphere view.
The room type you booked, it's ready right now. Please make sure you know you're on the 51st floor.
Hell yeah!
Suite,
Hell yeah.
great view.
Thank you so much. Even the elevators are phenomenal. Will we make it? Will I make it? Yes! 51. Have you guys been staying here?
No, we just checked in.
How many times have you been here in Vegas? Okay, quick one.
Like my 10th time.
10 times. What made you stay in Fontainebleau? Why did you choose Fontainebleau?
Group design, it looks really cool.
And it looks awesome so
You like
far.
it? All right.
I've stayed in one in
You're on.
Miami. So which is
Yes, Louisa.
Oh, you like Miami,
We
huh?
just
Is it the same? Is it nice?
No, it's one of Miami.
I think this one's way more modern now. That one's old.
Hey, Pop. How old are you?
It's old.
Like what? 9? Wow.
We're still calling him a puppy, puppy, puppy.
Is that weird or is that weird? Every floor by the elevator has this corner. It works! It absolutely smells amazing in this hallway. If you want ice, it's here. But there's also refillable water. Ooh, double door right here, but that's not our room. This is our room, but we'll have to check back because I'm hungry. This is their brunch place. They're only open from Thursdays to Mondays. They only have set menu, but I don't feel like eating a full course.
Would you like a chocolate table?
Lemon shortbread. How's the food here?
We honestly just got a yogurt and a bowl, so like it was good, but it wasn't like anything that you had to cook or anything. It was like the pre-made.
Gotcha. Is it better than Starbucks at least?
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
How's the coffee?
Good.
How much is coffee?
No idea.
I love it.
For me, and then I done her back.
You have the best of friends. This is our pre-workout meal. I thought it was gonna be warm, but it's cold. But that's okay. We have something warm right here.
Cortado's gonna be an equal amount of espresso and steamed milk.
Cortado is just the right hit for me. It's what I order normally, or a black coffee if I'm having it with dessert. I can smell it. It smells really good. Pesto is good. We're warming up and taking our 10,000 steps before we work out. What do you think of this dress? How's your day today?
Pretty good.
$46 for an underwear. Did you guys have a spa?
Yeah.
How was it? Really good. What did you get? This is their gift shop and convenience store. How much is it? They don't put the price. It'll be there, it's like $20. Oh, sorry. I always get Diet Coke. How much is a Diet Coke?
I'm a spin. I'm a baller. Take a deep breath.
Are you guys selling Labubu?
No, Labubu. No.
I actually haven't seen one in my life.
Really? I haven't seen one either. I usually see them on TikTok.
This seems like a cool shop too. What is this super cute thing?
It's a purse. It's only 77 that she make in the world. She's Tiffany'd out.
Yes, I love it. Yes, I see it, babe. I see it.
And then the nails.
A lot of stores have opened from last year, but there are still some stores that needs to be seen. Wait, what were you in? I went to Webster.
No, I'm right here. That's where I work. I work at the Yes, I was saying Webster just opened 2 days ago.
Hi! You guys have good outfits. Capedroni?
Yeah, it's like a special way to make it, and then like for the machine, it takes like 10 to 12 hours to make one piece.
It's giving 5-star restaurant.
Yes, poppy steak. I think we should work out now before we lose our gambling money. Do you feel the vibes? I really am impressed with this gym. The equipments are state of the art and there's so much space. Free water. I could stay here more, but my bestie is coming soon, so we better get ready. But first, okay, awesome.
I'm on camera. Hey, what's your idea? I'm on camera.
Hello. Sorry guys, I have to check out their pool first because I'm itching to see it. Did you have to pay for the day bed for this one? No.
This little hot mess. Party superior rum, lychee, lime, and strawberry.
Then,
Talking to me, I was like,
oh, I could talk to you too. How are you doing? That's a great drink. What are you having? And what is that?
Miami Vice.
Yeah, Miami vibe. Wow, the pools here in Fontainebleau is happening. I guess she's too hot. Oh, you're hiding! This pool area is 6 acres long, so imagine 5 football field without the end zones. Huh?
I just got one.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got one a couple weeks ago.
Oh.
And I started messing around with like that.
It's really dope.
It is dope.
This is a day bed right beside the pool. You pay for this one. How do I know? Because it says reserved. Do you know what the weather today is?
It's the hottest day ever.
I think it's in the 90s, maybe like 95.
Yeah, they said it's a record for April.
You can actually order from your chair. Okay, no one is here. Cool. It's a little sanctuary. How many pools are there here?
6.
6. I saw 4. Where's 5 and 6?
So the other 2 are 21 and over pools. There's like a huge row of umbrellas and stuff that also has a hot tub.
Let's go. Ooh, this thing is hot. Ooh. From my room, I could see like there's like a kind of a stadium pool.
Yeah, that would be Live. Live is on like the other side of this wall. Only open Friday through Sunday.
Well, we're here Friday to Sunday.
Yeah, so we're gonna, you know, you're gonna be able to go in there.
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours.
Okay, let's go for one more slow-mo walk before my bestie comes. But first, let's check out their food hall. They might have something new from last year. This is their food hall. Ooh. So, Capone's is the choice of the group. What made you choose Capone's?
We were in the mood for a burger.
Isn't it good?
Yes, it's very good.
I didn't really see anything new from the time that we were here early last year. But now since I learned about Ito, that they have something at the like highest level in a secret door somewhere, now I kind of am curious to try it. That one is $400, so maybe just the food hall version. It's time to view our room. Hello! In here is the adjoining room. In here is your fit check. And in here, it's a small cabinet. I use it for my luggage and my shoes. In here is the first loo. Let's check it out. Okay, fancy. Brand new! No need to wait. This one has its own shower. This is a mini bar and you have 60 seconds to say yes or no to one of these things. This is the refrigerator. Don't cry, we get to have a personal fridge. And then you have this. So pretty. There's no coffee maker here, but it's okay. Bessie brought her own. These are all mine. My favorite snack, chicharron. After this bar, you have your own living room. Perfect for watching some TV. This will be our coffee table and our working table. By the way, it's automated. See the beautiful spring mountains. We got the airport right there. That's the Sphere, you know it already. Wind. We got a straight shot of the Strip. And this is Resorts World and Circus. Is our night view giving Vegas or what? Our bed is in another room and it's time for a bed test. It's good, I really like it. I can sleep here for 3 nights. You might be asking why did I get a king bed? Because 2 queen beds are not available in the street view. Got your own TV too here. We have our cabinets here, a bigger one. Holy smoke, this is huge! Here, actual loo is separate. You have your bathtub here. Yeah! This is your shower. This is so pretty. Soap on your soap dish. Ooh, how cute is this toothbrush? It's time to bet $100 if we will win a delicious dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. But we will do something different today. We have 5 20s. Looks like their minimum for Pai Gao and Blackjack is $25 over here. Are you guys winning?
No.
Their sports bar is lit. The seats are amazing. Here's our first 20. Oh. Ooh, that's $3 already? Wait. Okay. We're betting $3, I guess. Come on. Ooh. We lost her, but here's our second 20. Let's go, Buffalo. Let's go. You better be good to us. Ooh. Nothing. Why is it? Okay, okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Something. Any bonus? Buffalo! Start. Kaboom! Kab. It sure feels good to win. I want to stay here. Should we move? Should we stay? This thing is giving. I really want to try something new. Okay. Okay. So I think we'll do 2 cents. Okay. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, nothing. What? Come on, give something. Damn. Second to the last 20. She's winning. Free games already. Woo! Come on. I want it louder. Let's go. I'm not winning at all. Free games, pal. Free games. Come on. What is that? Okay, I win a little bit. Ooh. Yes, we love it. Come on. What is that? What is that? What is that sound? I love it. Okay. Put it there. Free games, put it there. Yes. Wait, we want the jackpot. Oh, we also want cash collect.
Thank you for playing.
This is our last one. Oh, the bet is $5 every time. Okay. Ooh, we won a little bit. Oh no, we just won it back. Oh. We didn't lose much. Let's have dinner. It's rare that my bestie and I are together in Vegas, so let's celebrate that.